how to create a Skrill account. So if you want to create a Skrill account, then first of all, you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar, you have to search for Skrill. And after searching, here you on the first search, you will have www.skrill.com. Click on that. Now, if you want to create an account, then you can go to sign up now, which is here on the left side, or you can also go to register, which is on the upper right corner. Now, to create an account, first you have to enter your first and last name. And now on the next blank, you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, you have to create a password on the next blank. So make sure to create a strong password with at least 7 to 8 characters. And after creating your password, you have to click here if you want to get offers. But if you don't want to get the offers, then you can unclick it and then scroll down and click on register. Now you have to verify. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.